Here's our 2019 Indian Springfield. Now this bike, just like all of our others here, they have been in a dealership where the dealership burned down. These bikes all got some smoke damage to them. There's no fire damage whatsoever on any of the bikes. There is some smoke damage on some of the bikes. However, this one here, honestly, looking all over the bike, everywhere I can look, I cannot find one thing wrong with this bike anywhere. It's all clean. Looks like it's got Reinhardt exhaust on here. Paint looks good. Seat looks good. All the chrome up here looks good. That cleans right up. That's just a little smudge. Windshield's nice and clean. Don't know where this bike was. It's obviously protected from whatever happened. Very clean bike. Needs absolutely nothing. Just like all of our bikes, get on them. Drive them completely across the country wherever you got to go. Sorry about that. Here we've got our key fob. And we'll go ahead and start the bike up for you. This bike, I believe, 401 miles if I remember correctly. Now these lights are not flashing here, it's just the way my camera is picking them up. But trips 401 miles on the bike. And that's going to conclude our video. Thank you very much and have a good day.